Hello, this is a bonus video, asset versus expense. Do you really know the difference? I have 8 questions for you. Keep score, find out now. Asset doesn't equal expense. Can you pass this quiz? How this works? First, I have 8 questions. Read carefully, every word matters. Second, pause before the answer slide. No cheating. Third, track your score yourself. Tally at the end. And fourth, some questions look easy. They are traps. Your accounting knowledge is about to be tested. First questions for warm up. Martin buys an espresso machine for 5,000 euros. He uses it every day for more than 5 years. Is this an asset or an expense? Think before the review. And the answer is asset. It goes on the balance sheet. Lasts more than 5 years. This is not an expense, it creates future value. Spending money doesn't automatically create an expense. Future value equals asset. Second question for warm up. Martin buys coffee beans for 200 euros. He uses them all within 1 week. Is this asset or expense? Think carefully. And the answer is expense. It goes on the income statement. This is not an asset. It is consumed immediately. Consumed this week equals current period cost. It reduces profit right now. Question number 3, another one from the warm-up. Martin records the 5,000 euro machine as an expense instead of an asset. What happens to his reported profit? This one has real money consequences. And the answer is profit drops by an extra 4,000 euros. Correct is only 1,000 depreciation hits profit. 4,000 euro difference, same cash, wrong classification equals wrong profit and wrong tax. Warming up? Good. The next 5 are real business scenarios. These are the ones that trip up business owners. Question number 4. Real scenario. Martin fixes a broken drawer on his office desk. The cost is 80 euros. Is this expense or asset? Repair or improvement? And the answer is expense. It's a repair. It restores original condition, does not extend life. Repairs equals expense, upgrades equal asset. Ask, does it restore or improve? Question number 5. Martin buys a logo design for 600 euros. It will represent his brand for years. Asset or expense? No physical form? Does that matter? And the answer is intangible asset, ongoing brand value. This is not an expense. Future economic benefit exists. No physical form equals still an asset. Patents, software licenses, trademarks too. Question number 6. Real scenario. Martin records the espresso machines correctly as an asset. His accountant now charges 1,000 per year. What is this annual 1,000 called? You learn this term in the main video. And the answer is depreciation. Asset converted to expense over time. It looks like this. Total 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000. The full cost spread out. Depreciation matches the cost to the revenue the asset helps generate year by year. Question number 7. Martin buys a new coffee grinder for 1,500 euros. His business has a capitalization threshold of 1,000 euros. Asset or expense? The threshold changes everything here. And the answer is asset, above the 1,000 euro threshold, plus it lasts more than 1 year. Would be expense if it costs, for example, 800 euros. It is below the threshold. Both conditions must be true. Lasts more than a year and costs more than your threshold. Question number 8. Final question. Martin's business had 20,000 euro revenue, 8,000 euro in other expenses, and bought the 5,000 espresso machine correctly as an asset. What is his correct net profit for the year? This one requires real calculation. And the answer is revenue 20,000 euros, other expenses minus 8,000 euros, depreciation for 1 year minus 1,000 euro. Net profit equals 11,000 euros. The machine costs 5,000 euros total, but only 1,000 hits profit this year. That's the power of capitalization. How did you score? From 7 to 8 correct answers, you think like a CFO. Accounting is your superpower. Well done. From 5 to 6, solid foundation. A few gaps to close. From 3 to 4, well, you know the basics. Rewatch the main video. From 0 to 2, watch the assets versus expenses video. Today, seriously. Remember this, an asset is an investment, an expense is a cost. Know the difference? It changes everything. Missed some answers? Watch the full breakdown. Assets versus expenses. Understanding this concept could save your business. I'm Danny A. from Accounting 123. Accounting explained for real people. Thanks for watching. This is Accounting 123, your accounting and business coaching. Please subscribe for more videos.